Hey guys, Fire Brothers here. Today we are going to a special place called Hurricane Shoals. It's going to be real big fun because we're going to give you a tour and we're going to go tubing.
Yes, let's go there.
Alright guys, we're going to go down, so let's have some fun.
Alright, let's do this, everybody. Alright. Meet you at the bottom. Now my tube. I will see you later. Everybody. Here we go, everyone. Remember to subscribe. Like the video. Alright, let's explore. Sand angel. Sand angel. Oh, an angel just popped up. Doo-doo. Let's go check out this area. It looks a little better than this area. Yeah, you're right. So, this is chill over here. Check this out. There's a little stream here. Mini Hurricane Shoals stream. Why not Hurricane Shoals? Oh yeah, this would be lame. Pretty lame. Just like the fan mystery item. That one was lame. Oh yeah.
Go watch that video if you have not. Part 1 and Part 2 of the bonus
and
video.
subscribe right now, or else I will delete your Fortnite account.
Yeah, hit the like button too. We gotta get some likes. It's not that hard. Just click the button.
Road 100 likes.
Alright, scroll down right now and you see that like button? I want you to click it. And you see if the subscribe button? If it's red, then click it. If it's gray, don't click it.
this little thing that I found.
Yeah. Come in hand. I'm gonna eat you.